It's paining, yaar. Morning, my mom told me to crush the lemon for my new vehicle. Is that the reason for my accident? Dude, you're living in 21st century and still you're believing that superstitious belief. Wait, let me explain you these misconceptions. Let's get into the video. Welcome to Focomate. In 18th century in India, unavailability of a motor vehicle, that time people used to travel from one distance to another distance with the help of animal such as elephant, horse, camel, etc. So before going for a traveling, they used to crush the lemon by their animal feet, because lemon will protect the animal feet for the bacteria and the microorganism which used to live inside the soil. Why people choose lemon? Lemon act as antiseptic, which having citric acid, which will prevent the animal feet from that harmful microorganism which used to affect the animal feet. Accident is very common. It can happen to anyone. It does not mean that you didn't crush the lemon, so you got accident. I found this interesting to you. Stay tuned with Focomate. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.